this year's budget will be very special because it's after this pandemic. 1 year we have already suffered. The economy has suffered. It's gone into almost like a technical recessionary mode. So naturally, the government will be interested in lot more revenue to be gathered, but there's no money in the pockets of the common citizen, no money in the pockets of the assessees, no money in the pockets of the industrialists and traders. So in this situation, government will have to find out some innovative way of raising resources. Of course, lots of monies are being borrowed. So I expect that government may levy a cess on higher income assessees. But I'm not in agreement. The reason is already the taxes are high for the higher income people, the surcharges are high, so we should not try to over milk the milking cows. So that's what I feel. And the senior citizens, I feel, should get much more concessions, because all the investments what senior citizens have done out of their pension funds or other things, the interest rates have really gone down like mad. So whatever planning they had, financial planning, this much interest will come and this much expenditure they have all gone for a toss. So from that angle, right now we have 3 lakhs for a senior citizen and 5 lakhs for a super senior citizen. So the tax slabs will have to increase only for that sector. I'm not talking about the common man. Okay. Then similarly, the Mediclaim facility, we have a deduction under a section called 80D. So because of COVID, huge amounts have been spent by citizens for themselves or their dependents. So that will have to get a special deduction, because I have heard of people spending 20-30 lakhs also in some big hospitals, and even smaller ones, at least 50, 60, 75,000 they have spent for whatever period they have been hospitalized. And post-hospitalization also they have been under medication. So that way the Mediclaim deduction under income tax, I feel, should go up this year for especially the COVID treatments what people have taken or they have supported their family members to take and come out of this COVID-19 danger. And in addition to this, the house property, as you know, many sectors, MSMEs, other sectors are suffering. So naturally, to give a boost to the home sort of house building activity on one side, for the industry, that is the construction industry on one side, which is an employment generator, more so for the common man who has built his own house. Right now, we are only getting a 2 lakhs deduction for the interest. That also needs to be given a little more boost so that there is more money left in the pockets of the common man. So that one is he can take care of his own daily needs. Apart from that, he can spend something more, so that once spending starts, the whole economic cycle starts for the whole economy. That way, they have to be very, very pragmatic. On the indirect taxes front, because GST is the major indirect tax, that doesn't really get into the common budget every year. It is under a separate mode. GST Council is there. But I expect lot more products to be levied the import duty. For example, the smartphones, various electronic gadgets, lot of things are coming from abroad and they are much cheaper than the local products. So I feel as a protection to the local industries, there is some amount of customs duty hike is expected on certain products which come from abroad. That is what I feel. Overall, we should be empathetic to the government that they are short of funds and they have to also find resources. At the same time, much more empathy is required for the common man and the taxpayers from the government side.